Once you've generated content, you can export it. Let's start with a clean PDF, perfect for printing or sharing with your students. You can also export a version with explanations included. This is great for review packets or self-guided study. EduGenius automatically generates an answer key, which is included at the end of your document for easy grading. Export your content as a web page. This teacher version marks the correct answers and shows the explanations. Scroll down, and you'll find the complete answer key right on the page for easy reference during class. Need a presentation? EduGenius exports your quiz directly into a slide deck, with each question on its own slide. Each slide clearly presents the question, marks the correct answer, and even includes the explanation. Finally, export to a fully editable Word document. You can easily adjust the formatting and content to fit your needs.